video is based on my internet research. It may not be 100% accurate.
Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. It's me Universe Collector. In today's video we will talk about a beautiful fitness model. People are often amazed to see the beauty of this fitness model. What do you think about this beautiful fitness model? Tell us in the comments. And if you have come for the first time on the channel and you have not subscribed the channel yet, then press the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon to see more new videos like this. And now we come to the video. Who is Michelle Berry? Michelle Berry is a fitness model and certified training coach from Switzerland. She and her sister Carmen Berry are known for their online profiles where they share training and nutrition advice. Michelle's journey into fitness began when she was a child. Encouraged by her parents to stay active, she took part in a wide range of sports such as basketball and track. But one sporting activity grabbed Michelle's attention more than any other: fitness and weightlifting. At the age of 16, she entered the weight room for the first time and has never turned back. Michelle Berry is now a name that rings a bell in many fitness enthusiasts' ears. Many of them admire the physique that Michelle's created with her dedication and work ethic in the gym. Biography. Michelle Berry was often told by her parents to go after her dreams when she was young. This sport prompted Michelle to try various sporting activities together with her sister Carmen. As Michelle says, since our early childhood days, we have explored almost any sports and discipline imaginable: gymnastics, kickboxing, handball, athletics, skiing, dancing, you name it. As she grew older and new responsibilities started to pile up, Michelle could not keep up all of her hobbies. This is where she decided to narrow her choice down to only one sport, a sporting discipline that would offer the flexibility of adapting it to our lifestyle. Michelle Berry. This sporting discipline was weightlifting. After a week of consideration, Michelle and her sister decided fitness was the way to go. At 16-year-old, they joined the gym for the first time and starting training 4 days a week. Very soon, Michelle and her sister saw their bodies becoming firmer, leaner, and more toned. It was these first results that spurred them on to train even harder. Every day, Michelle pushed both her mental and physical limits in the gym. Before long, she fell in love with her new lifestyle. Well, soon realized that we, as the Berry sisters, have found our perfect discipline. Over the years, Michelle invested in her fitness journey by learning about correct training techniques, dieting protocols, and other knowledge that would help her attain the best possible physiques. As her result improved, Michelle realized she did not want to keep this success only to herself. She, together with her sister Carmen, decided to open up her online profiles and share her best tips on training and nutrition with other people. She also became a certified trainer, using her new knowledge to coach others in the areas of fat loss and muscle gain. Michelle Berry's thoughts. She says, Rome was not built in one day, but they worked on it every single day. Just a friendly reminder that when you are home and without motivation to go to the gym next time, just go. You will feel better after. She says, I am always totally overwhelmed with the beauty we have in this world, and I am so thankful for being here on this planet. She says, believe you deserve it, and the universe will serve it. That quiet. I wish you all an amazing start into the day. Michelle says, it's not possible to control where you lose fat first. That's all genetics. Some people lose fat first on the legs, other on the waist. So to get abs at all, you need to make sure that you burn as many calories in your workout as possible. A heavy leg or back sessions will burn always more calories than crunches or set-ups. Michelle says, you need to get your proteins in. Your body can only build more muscles if you feed them. Also, eating proteins after the workout helps the muscle to heal and prevents that you lose lean mass. And you don't want to lose this lean mass because it shapes your body. Training. Michelle keeps a regular cardio and weightlifting routine. Sometimes she will train only 4 days per week. Other times, when her schedule is freed up, she will train every day of the week. Her routine starts by warming up, either through cardio or light weights. Then Michelle starts her actual workout, where she will lift weights. She does many reps when exercising, which help her to achieve the pump, resulting in the muscle looking more toned. Michelle is also a big advocate of stretching. She will stretch either after the workout is finished or early in the morning. This helps her prevent muscle injuries from the intense training. Nutrition. Dieting is of the great importance of Michelle. She likes to track her macros in meals. This way, Michelle knows exactly how much food she should eat to achieve her ideal physique. That said, she does not go to the extremes where she will restrict herself too much. This is not enjoyable for her. Michelle says she mostly eats clean food with an odd sweet treat here and there to keep her metabolism working nicely. YouTube channel. Michelle began her career as a fitness model and fitness coach on social media platforms, especially on YouTube and Instagram. As you know, Michelle is also a famous YouTuber and she started her YouTube journey on 21 February 2019, which name is Beery Sisters. She published her first video on 24 February 2019. It's been almost 4 years on a YouTube channel and she mostly uploads traveling video, blog video and fitness workout and diet videos. At this time she has more than 4k plus subscribers on her YouTube channel and the average view on her YouTube channel is she has been on YouTube almost 4 years and her views fell between 4k to 10k, sometimes less and more. Her first video came in 24 February 2019, which title is Fitness Sister Motivation Shoulder Tricep Workout, which has more than 4.6k plus views on her YouTube channel. And the most viewed video on her YouTube channel is Bombshell Sportswear Hard Worth the Money Squad Proof, which has more than 18k plus views on her YouTube channel. Instagram. Michelle is a professional fitness trainer who is so famous on social media. Michelle, one of the rising name in the Instagram community. She has most fans on Instagram. She retains inspiring her followers. Michelle has an enormous fan following. She is amongst one of the trending women on Instagram. She normally shares her traveling videos, trending outfits, workout videos and photos, modeling shoots. Michelle has a face and promoter numerous brand. She has a famous for her great performance. She has more than 290k plus followers on her Instagram account. Michelle's follows that 700 accounts on her Instagram. The average amount of likes of Instagram photos and videos is 50k to 80k, sometimes less and more. She has uploaded total 700 plus posts on her Instagram account. She also uploads her food recipes on Instagram to help people. Personal life. Michelle Berry is a certified coach and fitness model, along with being a Bombshell Sportswear and Beauty Builder Fitness Center sponsored athlete. She had paid social media partnership with Shana by the Beach Hotel, Bombshell Sportswear, Arenal Manua, Bodybuilder, HD Muscle, for which she poses in bikini and swimsuits. Both the sisters, Carmen and Michelle, run a fitness training center in USA, where they guide people on muscle building and fitness gym. And now what we can learn from Michelle Berry? The most important lesson Michelle Berry has taught us is that fitness is not about being obsessed with calories. Instead, it's about being mindful of your food choices while still enjoying life to its fullest. A good balance is a key here. As Michelle likes to say, have a mind that is open to everything and attached to nothing. Like Michelle, you can keep track of your macros if you wish, but never let these macros control your life. Instead, let them guide you towards a happier and fitter version of yourself. And thank you very much if you are watching our video till now, and if you have come for the first time on the channel and you have not subscribed the channel yet, then press the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon to see more new video like this. And what do you think about more new video like this? And what do you think about this beautiful fitness model? Tell us in the comments.
Go beast mode.